Keto or carnivore? That is the question. In this video, I will help you decide which one of these diet models is better for you. My name is Szymon and welcome back to my channel. Let's go! Both keto and carnivore address similar issues mostly. However, there are some profound differences in adherence, application and outcomes that you need to take into consideration, as well as your personal preference, goals, circumstances, and medical situation. I would say both ketogenic diet and carnivore diet are powerful tools with different trade-offs. So let's go with keto first. Typically, you eat less than 50 grams of carbohydrates per day or less, plus fiber. 70 to 75% of energy in your diet comes from fat and 20 to 25% comes from protein. You can measure the effectiveness of your adherence objectively. If you're in ketosis, confirmed by your breath, urine and blood, you know exactly if the diet is working. This gives you quantifiable feedback. Keto allows variety. Vegetables, salads, some fruits, dairy or even nuts. It's easier to sustain long term because the food choices feel less restrictive. This is arguably the way for someone who's interested in metabolic sharpness and even perfection without eliminating the whole food categories. Now let's talk carnivore. You only eat animal products. Adherence is simple. Honestly, as simple as it gets. You eat meat, fish, eggs, optionally dairy, and that's it. No plants. But also, no counting, no gray areas, and way less wondering if you're doing it right. You eat fatty meat until you're full and that's it. This simplicity is powerful, especially for some people. People with autoimmune conditions, skin problems, severe food sensitivities, or intense sugar and carb cravings often find that carnivore strips away all this noise faster. Grains, seed oils, lectins and other plant toxins, as well as the variety of anti-nutrients. They all go. So how to decide? In my opinion, it's actually pretty simple. If metabolic flexibility is important to you, but you also need some variety in your diet, start keto. You get insulin control and still have plenty of options regarding food choices. But if you're someone who struggles with inflammation, skin problems, autoimmunity, food addiction or carb addiction, and you want maximal simplicity as well as maximal effects, then carnivore is the way to go. And the best part is, you don't have to make this choice for life. You can do both in any order you want. You can go keto for 3 months, then carnivore, and then decide. You can even mix it up. The best mix of these diets is the one you are able to adhere to, and that enables you to heal, repair, and optimize your health and fitness goals. This way you can thrive over years and decades. And that's what I preach and recommend. You surely noticed that I'm not a carnivore police or keto police. Instead, I'm here to teach you the tools and mechanisms that stand behind them, so that you can decide for yourself what is best for you. Just be proactive and curious. Put your mind and work into it, and your body will reward you. It will support everything you do in your life better. Please let me know down in the comments what your experience with keto or carnivore is, and also feel free to ask me questions. And that's it for this video. If you value what I'm doing, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video and exploring others. That would be massively appreciated. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Szymon and I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next one, and stay healthy.